Hi, AG Squared here, and in today's video we're going to talk about carpenter bees. Carpenter bees play a key role in pollination, contributing to the health and diversity of ecosystems. But they can be very destructive to your home. But how can they? Well, what carpenter bees do is they bore and dig perfectly round, about half-inch wide holes into the wood to lay their eggs and build tunnel-like nests. Now, although they don't consume the wood like termites do, their excavation weakens the wood over time. So if you're noticing a lot of carpenter bees around your home, you'll want to address this issue. For the homes that I own and manage, I apply a 3-step approach to doing this. Step 1 is to find the bees' entry points and apply poison to kill the colony. I use this spray foam solution and find it to be incredibly effective. You spray the foam into the holes and it expands into the tunnel, killing the colony. Step 2 is to wait 3 to 4 days for the foam to take full effect, and then patch or seal off the entry points. Now, I've found that using silicone caulk is a pretty solid treatment, but you can also plug the holes using other wood-like treatment. Now, step 3 is fully optional, but in this home, it was necessary due to the severity of the carpenter bee problem. And that is to place carpenter bee traps around the areas where they are most active. I was amazed at how well these worked up here. I didn't use any expensive bee bait. All I did was place a dead bee inside, and that did the trick. So let's go ahead and check out how well these things worked. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content on DIY project tips, real estate, finance, or technology topics.
All right, we're coming back. This is about a week after we set up both of these straps. You can see how effective it is. We've got both of these traps have several bees in them. They're about halfway full, so I'm probably gonna end up taking these down and just cleaning them out. The reason what worked here really well is I was able to seal off the gaps. Some of these gaps were really large too in my siding here, as you can see. So taking silicone and just simply caulking and filling in these gaps, it's really helped. I've done a second pass through these, so and then momentarily I'm just going to do the second half of these 3 or 4 rows, and we're going to continue hoping that these help minimize the amount of damage that the carpenter bees are doing.